Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome to Hola is Spanish. Today, we're diving into the vibrant world of colors in Spanish. Ready? ¡Vamos! Los colores are everywhere. Clothes, food, nature, and knowing them make your Spanish even more colorful. Let's start with the most common colors in Spanish. Repeat after me. Rojo, azul, amarillo, verde, blanco, negro, naranja, rosa, morado, marrón, gris. Muy bien. Did you notice that some colors, like naranja, is the same as the fruit? Let's use the colors in sentences. Repeat after me. El plátano es amarillo. El pantalón es negro. La mochila es azul. El plato es blanco. Now is your turn. In Spanish, what is your favorite color? Write in the comments. It's time for a game. I'll show you an object in the screen and you're gonna tell me the color in Spanish. El cielo es azul. La manzana es verde. El plátano es amarillo. Sometimes in Spanish, the color change depending on the gender of the noun they describe. For example, un coche rojo. Una casa roja. Colors like verde y azul don't change. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed the lesson, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And if you have any topics you'd like to learn, leave me a comment below. Nos vemos pronto.